Is that the name of a brand, or is it literally going to be floss? If so, why was it in bubble wrap? Hi everyone, WhyGo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, WhyGo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. If you have stopped by my channel to check out what is in the August 2020 Allure box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so this will be the last month of a $15 Allure beauty box. What? Don't panic just yet. Allure is going to upgrade, and their box starting in October will be $23 a month. However, it will guarantee 6 or more products valued at $100 or more, and at least 3 will be full size, possibly more than 3 full-size products. And if you sign up before September the 30th and pay for their annual membership, it's going to be $165 out of pocket. I know that sounds like a lot, but if you do the math, if you divide 165 by 12 months, that means each box will only cost $13.75, right? 165 sounds like a lot, but $13.75 per box, that if you go month to month costs $23, that is almost a $10 per month savings. So, something to think about. You know, yours truly, I already signed up for a whole year's worth. Alright, so let's dig in and see what we got in the August box. So we have our card. Remove the tissue. This box seems pretty full. Alright, first item. Interesting. It says floss. Is that the name of a brand, or is it literally going to be floss? If so, why was it in bubble wrap? Let's see what this is. Okay, no, it is a brand. And I assume this is going to be some sort of a highlighter. Let's see what the card has to say. Floss Brighten Up Highlighter in Sunlit. The Floss Brighten Up Highlighter retails for $20, and this seems to be full size. Alright, and it just so happens I forgot to put highlighter on today. I'm going to do a swatch, and then I'll put, ooh, it's very creamy, and it's very golden. I am so fair. There you go. It's right there. This might even make a good inner corner eyeshadow or eyeshadow topper. Let's... Wait, if it's creamy, does the brush even work? All right. There's product number 1. Next item. Ooh, it's quite large. Ooh, I see the brand name Pixi by Petra. What is this? Rose Oil Blend. Skin Treats. Instead of trying to read off the product, let me see what the card has to say. Pixi Rose Oil Blend. This oil has quickly become one of my favorite multitasking products. It's made up of hydrating oils, sweet almond, orange peel, pomegranate seed, jojoba, and its namesake, rose geranium oil. The Pixi Rose Oil Blend is 30 milliliters and retails for $24. Let's take a little test drive. Oh, interesting. They pack the dropper separately. Here's the packaging. It does have a scent. It also comes with a safety plug. That's why I couldn't put the dropper in. Whoa! All right. Sounds like I popped a thing of champagne there. It's nice. It goes into the skin. Doesn't feel greasy. All right. Item number 2. Looking good. On to the next item. Here we have a product from WHISH. Botanical Primer. Ooh, skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. Let's see what the card has to say. The editor from Allure who recommended this says, right off the bat, I knew this primer was different because in addition to argan oil and aloe, it contains bakuchiol, a gentler, natural alternative to retinol. Ooh. Alright, that word's hard to pronounce, but I love retinol in my skincare. When you are aging like I am, if you're a WIGO warrior like me, it's all about the retinol or products that can help with anti-aging. I am excited to give this a try. Does it come safety sealed? Yes. I have a lot of primers going right now, so I'm going to not squirt it out and do a swatch, but I'm excited to try this in the future. Alright, next item. Ooh, what is this? It feels and looks like a bar of soap. Let's see what the card says. Alright, this is from Erno Laszlo, and it's a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Per the picture in the pamphlet, it is black, and it will suds up, and you cleanse your face, get rid of all the grime and dirt from the day. Alright, new and interesting product. I've seen many a cleansing and mask in a beauty box, but I've never seen it in bar form. Alright, next item. What is this little teeny tiny thing? This is in Japanese, Korean, Sulwhasoo. I'm not going to butcher the name. Let's see what the card says. Alright, so this serum is from Korea, and it has a blend of 5 Korean herbs: peony, lotus, rahmania, Solomon seal, and white lily. It says the ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. So, hydrate, brighten, yes. Skin product, yes. Now this is a very teeny tiny sample, but hey. Oh! I was not expecting a sample this small to have a pump. Alright, let's test it out. Interesting. It is like an amber color. It does have a scent. Kind of floral, all those peony, jasmine, all the things I read off earlier. Absorbs into the skin nicely. Alright, it's tiny, but I love a good face serum. Alright, next item. What is this? I see the word hydration. Alright. This here is H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. It says the petal pink goo is spiked with chamomile to quell redness and irritation, and the formula also features calming, hyssop, and hydrating squalene. It's oil-free, but still has a rich thickness that offers immediate relief. Squalene is a really good skincare product. All right, I'm super excited. It's tiny, but I love a good moisturizer. And this also comes safety sealed. I am working through several moisturizers right now, so I'm going to leave that on to try at a later date. All right, I'm excited. This box is very skincare heavy, but I love skincare. All right, last item. Here we have a face mask by Looks and Meii, which is a brightening lift up perfect fit mask, which retails for $3. All right. For all of the other products, which are sample size, the booklet only lets you know what the full size value is. I'll do some math and link on the screen what the value of the travel sample size is. All right, let's recap. We got a mask, we got a full size serum from Pixi, we got a primer from WHISH, we got a little bitty baby serum, but it has a pump. We got a bar soap style face wash. We got a highlighter and a moisturizer. That is 7 products total for the month. Now, 2 of them seem to be full size. No, 3 if you count the mask. 3 of the 7 are full size, 4 are sample. This is a pretty good box from Allure. I'm super excited to see what happens in October when we get at least 3 full-size products. Comment down below. Do you subscribe to Allure? Were you aware that they are upping their price but adding more full-size products? Are you excited? I'm super excited to see what they have to offer in this new box. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.